In this video, we are going to see how to import reviews from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Let's get started. Here I am on my Shopify dashboard. To see how to import reviews from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify, let's go to Settings, and then Apps and Sales Channels. Here is the CJ Dropshipping app that I already installed from the Shopify store. Click over it to open. Here I am on the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, and these are the products that I already import into my Shopify store. Click over this product. Here are the product featured images and video, title, price, color, size, and quantity. You can check the product description. Merchant comments here. Marketing suggestion. And buyer reviews. This product has 99 reviews, and you can export all of these. Click over Export Reviews. All reviews are saved in a CSV file. Now, let's move on to the Shopify store. And open the App Store. Here search Judge.me product reviews. Click over Install. And then install the app. Here select your preferred language and location where you like to install it. Click over Start Setup. Enable App Embed. The core snippet is already enabled. Let's go back to the Shopify store and click over Next. Click over the Install Review widget. Here you can see the app is installed. Click over Save. Let's go to the product and click over this product. Here you can see the product description, media files, variant of color, and size. Let's go back to my store customization and refresh the web page. Scroll down, and here you can see custom reviews are added. This is how to import reviews from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.